walk, 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 spin, 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 spin.
Alright, welcome back, bruh. Today we have five tips on how not to skate. Tip number 1. When you skate and you're wobbly, don't fall and try to catch yourself, bruh. Because if you fall, you try to catch yourself, you're gonna hurt your wrists, and you don't want that. So what you should do instead, we're wobbling, we're finna fall, just get down safely. Land with your cheeks, bruh. Land with your cheeks. Alright. Number two. Always watch where you're going. Because if we are backwards skating, we're just going and going, we're gonna hit someone like, oh my gosh, I didn't see you. So always keep a look over your shoulder. Doesn't matter which shoulder, so as long as you use one. Number 3. When you are learning a new move, do not try to practice other things at the same time. For instance, if you're just trying to learn how to backward skate, don't be trying to learn how to dance it also. You just need to simply focus on one thing at a time. That way you get good at it, right? So if you're trying to skate backwards by using our C's, you don't want to try to practice like other ways to skate backwards as well. You want to start with just one and just focus. Alright. Number 4. Don't be a loner at the rink, bruh. Don't be a loner. Please. I need friends. So, when you go to the rink and you see someone doing like some cool stuff, you're gonna want to be like, hey, can you teach me? Or better yet, just copy them. You just, like, oh, I'm doing this, right? Copy. Don't be afraid to approach people. Number 5. The most important thing not to do. Most important thing not to do. Don't be inconsistent, bruh. If you're gonna skate, you need to skate, bruh. I need you to skate. Whether that be once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. You gotta get it. Because if you don't practice, then you're never gonna get good, right? You'll never reach the level that you want to be. So you gotta practice. That way you can hit everything you want. You can get groovy. You can drop it low, bruh. You can do anything you want. It's not Zelda. And we out.